I chose woodworking because it required so much presence and attention to the process. I really loved the energy of the craft and the way that woodworking transforms dirty, rough board into a curved, bent sculpture.
I like to try and bridge the gap between sculpture and furniture a lot of the times with my pieces. I want to make it so that when you're walking by it, it'll have a presence and you'll look at it for a little bit and be like, oh, kind of maybe tilt your head. One of my pieces was this table that had like fur under it, and the professors pushed me to talk about that more and explore it more and use a wood I haven't used before. They really help with problem solving and process and how to make something as great as you've pictured it.
At MECA, I've learned to see the possibilities and be able to visualize what a material can be.